This is a 2002 Yamaha Kodiak 400. It's got a lot of miles on it. I bought it used, probably third owner, I'm guessing. It's got a Moto Alliance Denali 50-inch plow. These are super heavy gauge, come out of Minnesota. Highly recommend it. I bought it because it matched the plate that was already on the bottom of the plow, or the unit when I got it. I've put front axles on it, front wheel bearings. I've changed all the fluids, you know, done the tune-ups, adjusted valves, but otherwise this thing just is a workhorse. In the summer, I tow 1,000 pounds or half a yard of gravel and dirt all the time. I pull rocks with it, you name it. This thing is just a great workhorse, and it works great as a plow. On the back, got two 60-pound bags of sand. This unit actually has adjustable rate springs, so I turn the springs up to the stiffest setting. It gives me the most ground clearance in the winter when you got all the weight on. Same thing like when you raise the plow, I jack up both front springs as tight as possible. I just want to keep as much ground clearance so I don't get high centered any more than I have to. The plow is nice. It's hooked up to the winch, but the plow has 5 settings, 2 at each angle, 1 in the middle, an intermediary, and then a full. I try to plow things towards more or less to the downwind side, which here is from west to east. So the more snow I keep on the east is less of a wall I build that can create a drift for me. That's kind of the plan. So I got about 1,000 feet of driveway up to the road, another 500 of shared driveway to my neighbor and a couple other folks that we all share. And it's pretty fun unless it's super wind blown, hard crust, which you pretty much can't get through, because just even with me on it and the plow, it's maybe 1,000 pounds, not a mass. Good traction, but there are limits to how much spring mush you can push.